I'm Danika. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome to the first ever episode of Danika's Kitchen. So today we're going to be making some banana pancakes that you can make without using any flour because there isn't really any flour in the grocery stores. But there is an option to use a bit of flour if you would like. So this starts out with, most important step, washing our hands, which I just did. Also tying your hair back. If you want to put on an apron to protect your clothes. Now there are some steps that the kids can do and also some steps that should require adult supervision or have an adult do for you. First step, we are going to preheat a pan. I have a nice non-stick pan here. I'm going to preheat it with a little bit of oil. Get that heated up. Okay, so first we need 2 eggs and a banana. My banana is still edible. It's just turning brown because it's very ripe, which means it'll be very sweet. First step. This is a great step for you to do, kids, talking to you. So you're gonna peel your banana, put it in a bowl. Then you're gonna grab your best mashing utensil. For me, this is a fork. So I'm just gonna start mashing this banana. Mash, mash, mash. You want it to be as smooth as possible. So you just want to mash it real good. Once your banana is mashed, you are going to add 2 eggs. You are going to crack the egg right in there. 2 eggs in total. And then we got to make sure that we wash our hands. Okay, I just washed my hands. This is important. Every time you touch a raw egg, you gotta wash your hands after to make sure that you don't get sick. Okay, so we are going to whisk or stir in the egg, get it all combined together. And I'll put the recipe down below so that you can read the instructions too. This is looking nice and goopy. And now we are going to add 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder. You don't see this? Baking powder. And you can add a bit more baking powder if you want your pancakes to be a bit fluffier. We're gonna start with this. We're gonna stir that in, make sure it's well incorporated. If you'd like to, you can add in 2 tablespoons of flour. You don't have to, the recipe will still work without it. So if you are out of flour, no worries. Add in 2 tablespoons of flour. This can just help with the pancake holding its shape a little bit better when you're flipping it. Kids, I hope you're helping with all this stirring. You can also add in some cinnamon if you'd like a little bit of spice. I'm going to add in a little bit of cinnamon. My personal favorite variation of these banana pancakes is made using some chocolate chips and some chopped nuts in them. These are totally optional. You can add in whatever you would like. I find that if I just make it with like blueberries or something in it, the pancakes taste a little bit more eggy to me, so I really like it with chocolate chips. And I think these pancakes kind of taste a little bit like French toast. Okay, so we want our pan to be, the heat to be on low, and we're going to take our batter. It works better if you make smaller pancakes. So I'm just gonna take about 1 tablespoon of batter. Now you can add on top your optional add-ins. So you can add in some fruit, you can add in some nuts or seeds if you'd like. You can add in those chocolate chips. So I'm just gonna take a handful. This is a pecan. This is a pecan. I'm adding some pecan to a few of them. Just putting that in there. So we're gonna cook these for about a minute on this side, and then we're gonna flip them over. Guys, I messed up this pancake. The batter is pretty wet, so they are a little bit hard to manage, but it's doable. Cook them until they're golden brown on the other side. If it starts to not work, mine are kind of falling apart, you can always make scrambled banana pancakes. Yum! Honestly, it'll still taste good. Okay guys, this is turning into banana pancake mush over here. My first few turned out well. They're solid pancakes. I think I need to re-oil the pan in between because they're sticking. Look at this. You guys probably think that looks gross, hey? Scrambled pancakes. Yum, yum, yum. Making a mess is part of the process. You just have to make sure you help clean up after, help your parents do the dishes, wipe things down. They'll love you. They already love you, but you know. So when you're finished, you can make a cute stack of pancakes. Oh, look at them. Ta-da! Yay! So some other topping options, if you mix some peanut butter or any kind of nut butter, wow butter, with some hot water, mix it up really well, you can make a bit of a peanut sauce. You can add a little bit of maple syrup to that if you want. You can top it with any other fresh fruit that you have. And yeah, there you go. Okay, so I'm ready to taste test. You can also add a bit of cinnamon on top if you want to. Let's see how it tastes. I'm hungry. I really like the chocolate chips in there mixed with the fruit. It's a really good combination. I do taste hints of egg slightly and banana, but like I said earlier, it kind of just reminds me of French toast. Enjoy! So let me know if you tried this at home and what you thought of it. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys, and I will see you next week. So you can top it with whatever you want. Okay. Good. Ooh. Yummy. You can make a cute stack of pancakes. Look at them all. Oops. I got some chocolate on my face. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like a legit YouTuber now.